bus.
Yay, it's all done!
Huh? Wow! Smells great!
Yummy fish pancakes are all ready. Who wants some?
I do! I love fish pancakes! Wow! They look really yummy!
Didn't you forget something important?
What is it?
Before you eat, you should wash your hands.
Wash hands? I'm so hungry. Let's just eat the pancakes. Daddy's not around. Follow me. Wow. The TV program will start soon. Let's go watch it.
Timmy, are you all right?
Daddy, my tummy hurts so much. My tummy hurts too.
Don't worry, I'll take you to the hospital. Hey there, kids. Let me take a look. Look at your hands. You didn't wash them, did you? You didn't? If you don't wash your hands before eating, the germs on your hands will get into your tummy. They like to mess around in your stomach. That's why your tummy hurts.
It hurts again.
Don't worry, I'll take care of you.
Daddy! Daddy, we feel much better.
That's great. Thank you, Doctor. Now I'll show you how to wash your hands.
Wash your hands, wash your hands. rub your little palms, rub, rub, rub. Wash your hands, chase the germs away. Rub the backside of your hands, they're all clean. Daddy, look at my hands, they're so clean now. Mine are too.
Wow, they really are.
Oh, Mimi, Timmy.
Huh? Mommy's back!
Look what I brought for you, sweeties.
Wow, cupcakes! We need to wash our hands first. Meow.
Besides before eating, when do we have to wash our hands? After going out, after sneezing, and after going to the bathroom. Don't forget to wash your hands. Did you wash your hands today?
Yes, we did! Wow, it's so big here!
Stay close to Daddy.
Daddy, Daddy! We want to eat some ice cream!
All right.
Ice cream, ice cream! Timmy, look! Whoa, it's a toy shop!
Which one should I choose?
So many toys!
Here's your ice cream. Oh, Mimi? Timmy? Oh, Mimi! Timmy!
Aw, Mimi, it's a big dinosaur! Wow!
Timmy! Mimi! Oh.
Let's go back to Daddy. Okay. Daddy, did you see the toy shop over there? Daddy? Where did Daddy go? Daddy! It's Daddy! Hey, Daddy! Daddy!
Kids!
Daddy!
Kids? I'm not your daddy.
Let's just go back and wait for Daddy. What's wrong? I think we are lost.
Hey, little kid. Are you looking for your daddy?
Yeah.
That's too bad. Well, I know where your daddy is. I'll take you to him.
Really? Thanks! Mimi, are we there yet?
We're almost there.
Okay.
He's behind this door.
Oh, it's so dark. Where's Daddy?
He's inside. Come on, let's go.
I'm scared. We don't want to go.
Come on, your daddy's waiting for you!
Oh no! We won't go in! This way!
There you are! You can't run away from me! Ouch! Stop right there! Nowhere to run, huh?
Excuse me, did you see two little kids around here? Mimi! Timmy! They're my kids!
Timmy! Are you okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm just happy that your kids are safe.
Promise me that you won't run around.
I'm sorry, Daddy. We won't run around.
Kids, if you ever get lost at the mall, ask security guards or staff for help.
Don't talk to strangers or go anywhere with them.
Okay, we got it.
Never let bad guys take advantage of you.
Meow.
If we ever get lost, what should we do? Stay where you are and wait for your parents to come. Or if you have a card with your parents' phone numbers, find someone you can trust and ask for help.
Mommy, Daddy!
Kids, talk with your mom and dad about who you can trust and ask for help.
Wow! Timmy! Come on up! Let's build a castle! Okay, after I'm done eating. Why am I hiccuping? Stop! It doesn't stop! Wow, my castle looks so awesome! Mimi! 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 Oh! Timmy? I'm sorry, I just hiccuped. I didn't mean to break it. Huh? Ha! Looks like you need my help now. Mimi! Where are you going? Mimi! Timmy, did you stop hiccuping? No, Huh? Isn't it supposed to stop when you're surprised? Spiders don't surprise me.
Huh? Is it fake? You scared me.
I'm sorry, Daddy. I was just trying to help Timmy stop hiccuping.
Oh? You know what? I have a good idea. Drinking water can stop the hiccups. Try it.
Uh-huh.
How do you feel? Did it work? Oh.
What's going on? Good thing I brought my umbrella. What strange weather. Oh. Oh, why are you all wet?
Because I hiccuped.
Oh. I have a good idea to stop your hiccups. First, take a deep breath.
Oh?
Like I do. Breathe in, and then hold it. Good job! One more second. Timmy, did it stop? Let's eat something first, and then think of what we can do.
That's right. We're all hungry.
Oh, come on, Timmy. Have some.
Yeah, you might feel better.
That's right. It's so yummy.
Oh, Timmy, you stopped hiccuping.
It stopped! It stopped!
What's going on?
Now Daddy's hiccuping! Daddy, you should eat slowly or you'll hiccup.
Time to go shopping.
Daddy, we'll go shopping for you. We're all grown up now. We can run errands for you.
But it's dangerous outside.
We'll be careful. Don't worry, you don't have to follow us.
Can they protect themselves? I don't think so. I need to follow them.
Let's cross the street. Okay.
Watch out!
Kids, that was so close. Always use crosswalks when you cross the street. Also, stop at the red light and go at the green light, okay?
Okay, Mr. Street Cleaner. It's green! Let's go! Hey, Mimi! I think this is a shortcut. Let's go this way. Timmy, you're so smart! Let's go!
Oh? Oh? Oh no! You shouldn't go that way!
Kids, you shouldn't take narrow roads. You might come across something dangerous.
Like what?
Like a snake?
Oh, snake!
This is just a toy. Oh. Oh. Ah! Oh! Oh! That was close, kids. Never take narrow roads again.
Okay, sir. Yay! We're here! Yeah! We're all done. Now let's go home.
They did it so quickly. Good job.
Sir, what's going on?
I lost my wallet in the alley over there. I won't be able to have lunch without it.
Don't worry, we'll help you find it.
Yay! Thanks. It's not far from here. Follow me. Oh no! Hey kids, you shouldn't go with strangers!
It's not here. It's not here either.
Of course there's no wallet.
What do you want?
I'm gonna get you.
Somebody
You can't run away.
Stop! Don't ever touch my kids!
Daddy, we were so scared.
Oh, it's okay now. But remember, adults never ask for help from children who are weaker than themselves.
Okay, we got it.
Great! Now let's go home.
Daddy, you are awesome.
Of course, Daddy was once the weightlifting champion.
Wow! The T-Rex is coming! Run!
It's a big shark!
Run! is my bed so big? Huh? And my slippers are so big too! Huh? That's not it! I got smaller! It's the drumming bear! What's going on? Go away! Mommy! Daddy! Help me! Ouch! Mommy! Daddy! Daddy! Wake up, Daddy! Come on! Wake up! Stop snoring! The Daddy! Help! Somebody help! Huh? What's going on? Huh? It's the big shark! Don't eat me! Huh? What's that sound? T-Rex! I didn't mean to break your tail! Stop following me! Stay away from me! That hurts!
You were sitting on me.
Stay away from me!
Timmy, don't run!
Oh no, I'm stuck! Please, I didn't mean to hurt you guys! Help me! Stay away! Stay away from me!
Don't be afraid, Timmy. We're here to say goodbye.
Huh? Say goodbye?
Yes. If our owner doesn't care for us, we'll have to leave.
Huh? Where are you going?
The train's here. Goodbye, Timmy. We'll miss you. Goodbye.
Happy birthday, Timmy! This is for you!
Wow! It's a T-Rex! I don't want to sleep alone!
Look who's here for you.
Ah, my little soldier! Time for bed! My big shark and drumming bear! I love you guys so much! Little soldier! T-Rex! Big shark! Drumming bear! Don't go!
Timmy! Timmy!
Don't leave me! Ouch! Don't go away!
Timmy! Timmy! Did you have a bad dream?
Daddy, my toys all left me because I didn't care for them.
Then let's care for them from now on.
Mm-hmm.
It's all fixed.
I'll take care of you all forever!